This is the best cafe in Busan.
Oh my god, dinosaur.
Assalamualaikum, hello dinosaurs. It's your Muslim friend Dina. Let's go. Dinosaur.
Okay, do you guys want to come in? Which one are you getting? I'm gonna get the 감사합니다. Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Real tomato shake.
Why is there a tomato shake? This place is tiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. That's it. And a lot of them are this kind. Oh my god. Dinosaur. What is drink is this?
This is the real chocolate. Dark real chocolate.
Wait, what did you order? Did you order anything? I'm so excited.
I need to like, are you gonna crack it?
I think I should wait for hers to come. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeousness. What kind of dinosaur do you think? Brontosaurus? Triceratops? T-Rex?
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaur do you think? T-Rex? I'm gonna say Triceratops, just to be different. Well, my YouTube channel name is Dinasoaring.
Oh.
I'm like, Dinosaur-ing.
I think of dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, Dinosaurus.
Dinosaurs. Oh, dinosaurs.
Yeah, Dinosaurus. Is there a fire under it?
It's a candle.
There's a candle under it to keep it warm. That's so nice.
Okay.
Oh, so fancy.
Oh yeah. Time to break your egg.
Should I put this on now or should I put it on later? Maybe I'll save some of it for later. Ooh, okay, maybe I should get a photo of it looking like this. Okay, let's see the reveal. Which kind of a baby am I getting? Just kidding. Dinosaur. Oh my god, this is breaking. Okay. It cracked over here. We got this. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Okay, that was the dinosaur meteor, wasn't it? Oh, is there a dinosaur in here? Maybe there isn't a dinosaur in here. Oh, there is! There is! Oh my god, it's right here! It's a T-Rex!
Oh my goodness,
It's a T-Rex!
Is it right? Right.
T-Rex! You like it? It's like cereal-liek? Chocolate cereal? Chocolate ice cream, chocolate cereal, and the ice. Get my spoon instead.
Yeah, I was like,
I'm eating ice cream with a fork.
I like peanuts. I'm gonna eat
Remember to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment. Have you been to any awesome cafes recently that I totally have to check out? Because I love cafe hopping. And keep evolving, dinosaurs. Bye-bye.